Is your bathroom a disaster zone? Cracked tiles, moldy grout, constant leaks sound familiar? There's a better way. With a free in-home evaluation and pricing that's easy to understand and totally transparent, you'll feel confident every step of the way. Unlike outdated tile and fiberglass, our solid surface materials are 100% non-porous. That means no mold, no mildew, no more scrubbing on weekends. It's cleaner, healthier, and built to last. Why pay more and wait longer? Hiring a contractor or designer can quickly add to your bathroom project costs. With us, everything's handled in-house, so we complete your entire bathroom transformation in just 1 to 2 days. Fast, affordable, and stress-free. On a budget? No problem. We offer flexible financing plans to work with your lifestyle, and every remodel is backed by our lifetime warranty. As long as you own your home, you're covered. We follow all local and state licensing guidelines, are fully insured, and respect your home with CDC-compliant safety measures. Clean, safe, and professional. Just imagine it, your dream bathroom installed in days, built to last for decades. It's not a dream, it's American Bath & Shower. Call now for our free in-home evaluation. American Bath & Shower, luxury you deserve. Service you can trust.